if you're looking for a last minute gift, I can tell you there's no other better gift that you can give somebody than a plant. So I have a few neighbors on this street that have a lot of animals, and I've noticed they don't have that many trees. So let's go ahead and pick a few trees for these neighbors who I know not only will the trees benefit my neighbor himself, but also their animals is gonna give them shade in the summer. So what better tree to gift them than a Pakistan mulberry? So winter hasn't arrived yet in my area as it normally does. So they still got the leaves, so they look nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick this one here. And the third person, we're just gonna go ahead and pick somebody randomly, and we're gonna give them something that's safe. A rosemary bush. These guys are bulletproof. As long as they get water every once in a while and they get planted in the ground, extremely hard to kill. Next thing we gotta do, we gotta make it look nice. I got 3 bows right here. I'm gonna put it around the containers. Gotta get into the holiday spirit, right? There we go, guys. Let's go ahead and deliver the plants. Hi there, I'm your neighbor across the street. Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
This is a Pakistan mulberry tree.
Wow.
So it's gonna get about 25 to 30 feet tall.
Oh my god.
It's gonna give you
This is
tons
cool.
of tons of fruits. They're about this long,
What?
and all you gotta do is water.
That's
Now they
cool.
do drop their leaves in the winter time, so it's gonna start looking ugly in the next couple of weeks and completely be naked. Now gophers,
Awesome. Thank you.
gophers are gonna eat the roots though. So if you see any mounds around it,
no.
just let me know.
My husband kills gophers, so that's good.
That's okay. Just let me know. I'll get them for you.
Oh, how
So
nice.
I just started trapping them on my property there, and then
We have so many. So what area do you recommend?
it's a big tree, so it's gonna give you tons of shade.
North
or like-
or south?
It doesn't matter. Full
Okay.
sun all day, full winter. All you gotta do is water.
Okay,
And then I talked to your husband a few months ago about setting up your drip irrigation system. So we're gonna do that before next summer. So
Okay.
so just pick an area that you think you want a lot of shade and you don't really care about. So, but anyways, Merry Christmas, guys.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
All right.
Appreciate it.
All right, I'll see you around.
Thank you. Yeah.
Goats. No, it's not for you. Look, they actually got a pine tree in a container. Hi there, neighbor.
Hi there.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Oh, thanks.
It's a Pakistan mulberry tree on down the street. My name is Alan. I'm gonna be the nursery down the street. Anyways, this is a Pakistan mulberry tree. It's gonna be a big tree. It gives you fruits. Plant it in the ground anytime you want. I know your wife was talking about having a tree in the ground.
Yeah.
And you're gonna have to fence it around the goats because they'll eat it. Like if you wanted one right there in the middle, that would be a good spot for this one, but you're gonna have to put some fencing around it. If you have any questions, you guys know where to find me.
Does that grow the?
It has a taproot system, and the gophers love taproots. So just keep an eye on the gophers. If you see any mounts around it,
Shoot the gophers.
well, you can do that or put traps around it because they can eat the roots and that'll kill it. But anyways, there you go, guys.
Yeah.
So hopefully you like it. Any questions, let me know. All right, guys. So we got one tree to go, and that's gonna be the rosemary bush. I picked that one simply because the area I live in, it's like a dictatorship in this area. So all the neighborhoods are HOA, homeowners associations, and they usually do not like fruit trees. They are against fruit trees, unless you're planting in the backyard. So since the next person I'm going to, I have no clue who they are. I don't know them. I'm just gonna pick a house at random. I'm gonna look at the front yards and I'm gonna see which one I think needs a tree. That's a safe tree to grow. Easiest plants, full sun in my area, no winter protection. As long as it goes in the ground and gets some water every once in a while, it will grow. And best of all, it is HOA approved. So whoever I give it to, you know what, they shouldn't have any issues with the HOAs. So let's go ahead and find a house. What am I looking for? Well, I don't want my tree just to go to somebody who's just gonna kill it. So what am I looking for? Technically, I'm looking for somebody that I think they're gonna be able to take care of the plants. And usually by looking at the front yard, like this one right here, they have a snowman in there. They got a nice trimmed palm tree. The bushes are trimmed. The grass is green, and they got a cactus over there that looks healthy. And you know what? They also have an aloe vera plant in the ground that looks healthy. So that will be a good candidate for to have this rosemary bush. Another person that I can tell takes care of their plants, that actually cares for plants, is that yard. Just look at it. You see that? That looks nice. Another one right here. You see that one right there? Yep. That one looks nice too. See right there? There's an empty dripper right there. That'll be a good spot for it. Or right there next to the entrance. Hi there. My name is Alan from Queen Creek Tropicals Plant Nursery. I noticed your front yard, and I just wanted to give you a free plant. Merry Christmas.
Actually, I'm good though. But thank you. Merry Christmas to you too.
You
I
sure?
appreciate it though.
Okay.
All right. Merry Christmas. Be safe.
Oh, there it is. Hello. I was just, my name is Alan from Queen Creek Tropicals Plant Nursery. Okay. And I was just driving around the neighborhood, giving a free plant. I picked your house. So I got a rosemary here.
Oh, cool.
It's full sun, full winter. It is a bush. You can eat it. Just stick it in the ground. I just picked your house because I saw the plants in the front, and you look like you care about plants because you got a new tree in there.
Yeah.
And you can put it anywhere in here.
Yeah.
Super easy to grow, and
That
Merry
is
Christmas
amazing.
for you.
Thank you. Can I take a picture, or
What do you mean?
I can take a picture of you?
If you want.
Because this is an awesome gift.
Well, you know, that's what Christmas is about. It's about giving, right?
Yes, of course. Thank you. That is so nice. Jeez, thank you.
You're welcome.
That means a lot.
And you know why I pick plants? Because plants are everlasting.
They are.
Now,
can dig
when
them
you
out
look at
every
this
spring.
plant, you will always remember this moment.
Oh, stop. You're making me cry.
There you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Does it need to be watered already?
It's super easy. Just stick it in the ground. They take care of
Okay.
themselves. It's
I'm
called a
so
rosemary.
excited.
All right?
Thank you.
Have a good Merry Christmas. And that's it. If you're looking to give somebody anything, my recommendation is to gifting a plant. Those people I just gave those plants to, they will remember that moment for many years to come, because that is what the world needs nowadays. We live in a crazy world right now, and as you saw that guy, he wouldn't even open the door fully because he probably assumed I was gonna mug him or, you know, rob him or something bad, something negative. He was expecting out of somebody ringing the doorbell. And that is a mentality that most of the people nowadays have. And that's how most people feel nowadays. It's fear. And I realized I used to feel that way as well, and I don't want to feel that way anymore. And the only way I can change that is by changing myself, one little thing at a time. And even though the first person didn't, and even though that guy didn't take the plant, he's still gonna think about it. And the people who got those plants for free, I can tell you, even though those plants are not worth that much money, anytime they look at those plants, they're gonna remember that moment when a stranger knocked on the door, on their door and gave them something for free, without the expectation of getting anything back. And I believe that is the main idea of Christmas. It's about giving, it's not about receiving and expecting something back. A lot of you guys are shopping, they're buying all kinds of material, expensive things, trying to impress somebody, trying to make somebody else happy. When in reality, it really doesn't take that much money to actually change somebody's world. And as you saw that last lady, she's gonna remember that, and she was very happy because it's not something she was expecting. And this is what I wanna do. I wanna do more things like this because money comes and goes, guys. I don't want to emphasize on money. Even though I need money to run my nursery, I don't want money to be the main purpose. I want to make a difference in this world, and the only way I'm going to be able to do that is just by being honest and actually giving instead of receiving. Anyways, guys, if you like my video, don't forget to like it. If you like to support the channel, you can now become a Patreon member. I upload special videos in there that do not make it to my main channel. And also, if you have any plant questions, I respond to all plant questions in my Patreon group. Anyways, as always, Merry Christmas, and I will see you next time.